Hello everyone, welcome to Re-An Exam Question Series, Reorder Paragraph number 33. It means that we have already explained and discussed 32 highly repetitive and real exam questions, and we have discussed the reading hacks, tips, tricks and strategies so that you can also crack your reading. So let's get started. First things first, now PTE is accepted in UK for study, work or settlement, and 90% of universities in Canada now accept PTE Academic, and a new test which is PTE Home is accepted for your family visa in UK. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE, and in this video series we discuss the reading tips, tricks and strategies so that you can also achieve your target score. चाहे आपका टारगेट स्कोर 79 प्लस है या 65 प्लस है, you can score your target score in your first attempt. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. Now PT reading integrated module hota hai. It is of 32 to 41 minutes, so you have to manage your time yourself, and it is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47, and there are 5 question types, and today's topic, which is reorder paragraphs, is the third question type in this series. This is the real scoring of PT reading, where you can see reading module just contributes 47 marks, and usme se 6 marks are for your reorder paragraph. So if you are getting 2 reorder paragraphs, so they will be of 3 marks each. I hope this is clear. Now let's see how to solve and how to attempt your reorder paragraphs. You just have 2 minutes to attempt reorder paragraph. In that you have to skim, you have to read the lines, then you have to make pairs. Pairs are very important because reorder paragraph की जो scoring होती है, that is based on pairs, and then you have to confirm जो pairs आपने बनाए हैं, they are correct or not. And this is today's reorder paragraph. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to skim through this, and then we are going to discuss this. Okay, so now you know that we skim the lines to find an independent line, to know the gist किस बारे में है, as well as if possible to find a conclusion or concluding line. So let's get started. The current global production of e-waste is estimated to be 25 million tons per year, with most e-waste being produced in Europe, the United States and Australasia. Okay, Australasia means Australia plus Asia. Okay, this is pronounced as Australasia, right? So okay, so in this, okay, आपको independent लग रहा है, let's keep this as independent line, and now we are going to use process of elimination to eliminate the wrong option so that we keep only the right answer, and that's why I call process of elimination as our best friend forever. Consequently का मतलब क्या होता है? As a result, and this is a signposting word, and if you see there is a comma after consequently, so these are the grammar rules which we teach to our students online as well as in institute students, because these subtle rules are very important to score 79 plus or 65 plus, and grammar is very important for cracking your reading as well as writing or listening. So consequently, large amounts of e-waste are constantly generated worldwide, posing an increasing global challenge for their disposal. So consequently, as a result, based on our rules, most probably this is going to be the last line, right? Because result is like a conclusion. So that's why we are going to keep this as a last line. Now let's read the next line. In Europe, e-waste is increasing at 3 to 5% a year. Again, British English rules, grammar rules. Percent is 2 words in British English and we follow British English, so that's why it's written like this. And 3 and 5 are written in your alphabets, not in numbers. All these rules we teach in our grammar course. Almost 3 times faster than total waste stream. अब आपको ये भी इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन लग सकती है, यूरोप में बात हो रही है, राइट, बट दिस इज नॉट एन इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन based on our BS strategy. Okay, what is our BS strategy? Broad to specific strategy. अब पहले हम बड़ी बात करेंगे फिर स्पेसिफिक होंगे. बड़ी बात कहाँ पे हो रही है? यहाँ पे, जहाँ पे 3 या 4 कॉन्टिनेंट्स का नेम लिया जा रहा है, यूरोप, यूनाइटेड स्टेट, ऑस्ट्रेलेशिया, राइट. सो यहाँ पे ये 3 प्लेसेस का नाम है, तो ये ब्रॉडर हो गया, तो ब्रॉडर पहले आएगा. उसके बाद आप यूरोप की बात कर रहे हो, स्पेसिफिक बात कर रहे हो, तो यूरोप ब्रॉडर के बाद आएगा. Now let's see the last line. The global market for electronic equipment continues to expand while the lifespan of many products become shorter. अब ये भी इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन लग रही है, राइट. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कंफ्यूजिंग पैराग्राफ्स, रीऑर्डर पैराग्राफ. स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है कि सर इजी होगा, बट जब ये पेयर बनाते हैं तो दे फाइंड डिफिकल्टी, बट इफ यू नो द स्ट्रैटेजीज यू कैन इजीली क्रैक इट. Okay, so this is also an independent line. So we are left with these two independent line. अब इन दोनों में से first line या better independent line कौन सी है? Always remember that जब भी आपको ऐसे confusion हो, then you have to see कौन सी generic यादा है. अब आप देखिए यहाँ पे e-waste के generation की बात, यहाँ पे e-waste की बात हो रही है. अब e-waste क्यों बन रहा है? Okay, see, cause and effect देखिए. कॉज क्या है? कॉज ये है कि ग्लोबल मार्केट जो है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इक्विपमेंट, ई वेस्ट मींस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट, जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इक्विपमेंट्स हैं वो एक्सपैंड होती जा रही है. सो जो ग्लोबल मार्केट है वो एक्सपैंड होती जा रही है, और जो लाइफ स्पैन है प्रोडक्ट्स का वो शॉर्टर होता जा रहा है. जैसे आप देखिए ऑलमोस्ट हर 6 मंथ्स या 1 ईयर में आईफोन्स या वन प्लस के अपग्रेड्स या सारे मोबाइल्स के अपग्रेड्स आ जाते हैं, तो लाइफ स्पैन शॉर्ट होता जा रहा है. सो एक्सपैंड कर रही हैं, लाइफ स्पैन शॉर्ट हो रहा है, तो क्या होगा? वेस्ट ज़्यादा जनरेट होगा. सो वेस्ट इज द अफेक्ट. सो पहले कॉज आएगा फिर अफेक्ट आएगा. ओके, सो आई होप दिस इज क्लियर, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द पेयरिंग ऑल्सो, बिकॉज पहले आप कॉज लिखोगे उसके बाद आप अफेक्ट लिखोगे. So I hope you understand that. So why this is a better independent line. Now we are going to drag this line over here, and now I have already told you कि इसकी second line कौन सी होगी. जो second line होगी उसकी effect की होगी, right? This is your cause, और अब effect क्या है यहाँ पे, and effect कौन सा होगा? Bigger होगा, because यहाँ पे आपके 3 या 4 continents की बात हो रही है, यूरोप, यूनाइटेड स्टेट, ऑस्ट्रेलेशिया. So we are going to drag this over here. Okay, now हमने अपनी SO strategy से already find out कर चुके हैं, या आप कह सकते हैं BS strategy से हम already find out कर चुके हैं कि यहाँ पे broad बात हो रही है और specific बात कहाँ पे हो रही है? यहाँ पे. Okay, और अब ये as a result है, we have already decided as a result हमेशा last में आता है. So that's why we are going to shift this as the third, and जो last remaining है we are going to put it over here, and let's quickly proofread it or confirm it if the pairs are correct. So the global market for electrical and electronic equipment continues to expand while the lifespan of products become shorter. So आपका ये एक तरह से cause है, independent है, generic line है. Okay, because all these are related to e-waste, 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 राइट. हर एक में e-waste वर्ड आ रहा है, पर e-waste को बिगिन कैसे, क्यों e-waste जनरेट क्यों हो रहा है, वो उसका कॉज है. सो कॉज विल बी योर फर्स्ट लाइन, देन अफेक्ट, उस चीज का अफेक्ट वी हैव टू सी. अब अफेक्ट क्या है? द करंट ग्लोबल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ e-waste इज एस्टिमेटेड टू बी 20,025 million tons per year. Most e-waste being produced in Europe, United States and Australasia. Right, so this is the effect कि e-waste generate हो रहा है. Now based on our BS strategy, broad to specific strategy, यहाँ पे broad बात हो रही है तो यहाँ पे specific बात हो रही है, और वैसे भी consequently आपका as a result होता है. So it's like to be like a concluding line. Now let's see if the arrangement or the pairing is correct. Yes, the pairing is correct. So you see All the strategies which we teach are very effective to solve, and let's see what strategies we use. We have rules for finding independent line, कैसे independent line find out करनी है. Then we have BS strategies, जिसकी implementation you have seen in today's reorder paragraph, brought to specific strategy. Then CO strategy, chronological order strategy. Connectors के basis पे भी हम बहुत बार pairs find out करते हैं, like you have seen today, कि यहाँ पे consequently एक तरह से sign posting word या connectors हैं. TO rule, topic order rule, AB rule, abbreviation rule, SO strategy, subject object strategy, and last sentence rule. All these rules we teach in detail to our students in institute as well as online coaching. Always remember, you have 2 minutes. In first 30 to 60 seconds you are going to skim the content. आपको independent line ढूंढनी है, conclusion line ढूंढनी है, like we did today. And in next 30 to 60 seconds you have to look for clues. आपको pointers ढूंढने हैं, pointers in form of years, however, firstly या examples की तरह. जैसे हमें आज pointer मिला consequently का, consequently means last में ही आएगा वो, as a result use होता है. And then you can use process of elimination also if you want to use it. Okay, all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see the results of the students who have achieved their target score, and these are some of our success stories where students have achieved 90 each also in all the modules. So if they can achieve, you can also achieve 84, 86, 79. Many students have scored. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. So you can WhatsApp us if you have any question or doubts, or if you want to take in institute or online coaching. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.